When I got to know you were selected for Creator Fest,
I took my first flight to come here.
And I got my first sponsored trip by NIAT.
From zero knowledge in content creation to the biggest content creator.
To become the most relatable lifestyle creator.
From struggling to get views to every video on trending.
From day one, we have been learning how to become a better content creator, and we have been seeing where we are lacking behind.
You will see that there is an underconfident person at 100, 200, 500,000 subscribers. What got them here is nothing but consistency.
So happy to meet you guys. I've heard you are from all over India. Right now, we are in the space where everybody is going to do content, regardless of what you are. The video comes on somebody's feed. You have to trigger and you have to make them feel things in the first 1 second. If the video doesn't make them feel anything, they just scroll away, your video is done.
We had editing session. How can edits impact your video? How can you make it more better?
Even if you are having a topic which can reach a 1 million views, but if you edit it poorly, viewers will leave the video in just 1 minute or 1 minute 30-second max. So editing is the most important thing for YouTube. You have to add feelings while editing.
You are not an individual, you are a brand.
The first channel for me to hit 100k has taken almost 2 years. The second channel took 20 days. Growing on social media is not so difficult. There are phases: idea, CTR, retention.
This was my very first time meeting Tarun sir, and the best part of his session was that he gave personalized session to each and everybody. He analyzed each and everybody's channel, and he also pinpointed the mistakes that him or her is doing. So I really liked that. He gave us a lot of time.
one thing that I'm going to take back from this journey is that the influencer who came and who taught us the tricks, tips, everything, I'm going to take back that. That's the part which I love because it would help me create my journey a little more interesting.
All these students right now have a really good start. 10 years ago, nobody knew what the game was, but now it is being handed over to them on a platter. And I feel like these students are super lucky when it comes to having all of these opportunities.